Hey all, Steve from GuitarNiche here. In the middle of a setup on a Taylor 214 CE-N classical guitar, and we're doing some basket weaving on the end with the new strings. As you can see, this is nowhere near done because we're trying to figure out where the guitar is going to live. But what I did notice is I got to take this saddle out to make an adjustment. So how am I going to do that without, taking everything apart? Easy peasy. My tools are going to be this nice clean plank. Okay. Slide that under there. And this is a 1/2 inch piece of poplar. It could be 3/8, could be more or less, whatever. Depends on the overall thicknesses of all your things that you're going to use. And all I'm going to do is just slide that underneath, get it close enough to drive up the strings where there's enough air underneath and I can get at the saddle itself. The strings are nowhere near tension. They're installed, but they haven't been tensioned up, so nothing is overstressed or anything like that. Okay, and then I'm going to take my trusty end nippers here, grab the back end of that saddle briefly and pull that out, and there you have it. Easy peasy. Now if this were a more traditional type bridge with the open ends, where the saddle spans the entire saddle width, it's even easier, let's say. Okay, but what I will do to finish up this job is just do a little nibbling on this saddle to make sure that it fits properly and reinstall it. If I have to do it again, not a problem, same process. Okay, anyway, it's as easy as that. My name is Steve. Again, have a great day, play loud, have fun, and as always, read the resources below. Lots of great stuff down there. Okay, and have fun. Okay, cheers. Thanks for coming out. Like and subscribe.